Hello everyone, Matt here with Torque King. Today we are showcasing the QU11014, a Dodge manual transfer case, front case half for a NV271D. Included in this replacement subassembly is a QU50250 input bearing and a QU10906 front output bearing. These front case halves are shipped from the factory without individual packaging, so airborne contaminants can get into the bearings. I suggest you clean the bearings and mating surfaces immediately prior to assembly. Both the NV271D and the NV273D transfer case halves have the same 09104 casting number. However, these two front cases are not interchangeable due to machining differences. Chris did a teardown video recently of the NV271D. I will put a link in the description to check out. This item occasionally goes on back order. For information on back order status or to pre-order, give us a call. For more tech notes and applications of this part, as well as where to purchase for your rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey there friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web at the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and a comment on what you saw. Let us know if you want to see a different product featured here. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new content. We have new content coming out every week. We appreciate having you along while we grow this channel. Thanks for watching and good luck keeping your rig on the road.